No, you're supposed to be taking pictures of the inside of your car.
Why?
Turn around and take pictures of that. God.
It's a disaster.
Who the hell camps this way?
Nobody. This is what happens when you have to throw all your stuff into the back of your car because it's raining. You have to throw it in there very quickly. Like Monkey Boy. Poor Monkey Boy, he's all...
God.
Poor little guy.
And where the hell are you going to start?
I'm going to start at the beginning.
Do you always run around with granola oil in the back of your car, just floating around there? What's that in case of what?
That's in case I needed to cook.
Okay.
What's the matter, honey?
It's time to start.
You taking Monkey Boy and that's it, eh? Taking Monkey Boy and he's leaving.
He needs to go in the house. God.
Wanted to give you something special.
Okay.
That's not it. This is it. Look, you got a little. This is you.
That's me?
Yeah, a little grumpy cat.
Alright.
Do you love him?
Yeah, that's adorable.
Here's this one.
And what is this?
And there's this one.
Okay.
And then there's this.
What the hell is that? What the hell is that?
It's putty. There's more. There's accessories. There's some accessories.
What the?
For you. Here.
You're making a
some
mess
cake.
here.
And there's that. And there's that.
So,
There's that.
and what paraphernalia do they take?
Here's all about them. Here's a little book all about them. And just wait, there's one more part. There's one more part.
And then you wonder why I stay home.
Let me get you the other part. Guys, remember these? Here. These are for you.
What are those?
Those are your balls for juggling.
I'm sorry, I had a contract with the circus when I quit. I don't do no more juggling.
Lana made these especial for you. Don't you at least want to touch them?
I don't want to touch Lana balls. Sorry, Lana, but it's, you know.
She made them for you.
Well, that's nice. No, I don't want to touch them.
Why?
God.
They're skishy.
Yeah.
There you go with your aminals. See, all these little things were encased in this stuff.
Okay.
I don't know why. But then they melded this together and made you some juggling balls for you to learn how to juggle.
Mm-hmm. That's probably going to happen.
And Lana had some lessons that I'll show you on video.
Okay. So I ain't touching Lana's balls. Sorry. I don't. No.
Honey.
No.
Say thank you, Lana and Dakota, for
Yeah, thanks. That's
sending me juggling balls.
quite interesting. You sent me your balls. Thanks a lot. If you think somebody else in the family might need them.
You want to start with just 2 balls, and you want to get used to throwing one up in the air and dropping. I'm out of practice. Okay, throwing one up and then you better edit the fuck out of this.
And expect to drop them several times while you're learning.
Okay, so anyways, the idea is as you're throwing one up, these are heavy. I'm used to little softballs. Okay, so as you're throwing one up, as it's coming down,
the other one is going
the other
up.
one up, right? So then the idea is you want to go do. I can't do it with these. Don't show them this.
Of course I'm going to show them this video. But we'll have to get you juggling something better.
Something better, yeah. We'll get juggling balls. They do have some. These are heavy, so it is hard to juggle.
Yeah.
But anyways, you throw one up and then throw the other one up.
Woohoo!
So you get that going with the one hand.
Right.
Then the second thing is that you want to try and throw it like up a tube that's right here.
Okay.
So that each time it falls, it's falling right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So it's like tube, so you just go.
Just like that. I do. Keep doing it,
Now I'm
Lana.
going to see if I can actually do
Dave
it.
will
Okay.
probably be doing the same. Lorrie, Dave will probably be doing the same thing behind the camera.
I'll have to record Dave when he
I'm so
tries it.
I need something lighter. It's not working.
Doesn't Michael juggle too? Didn't he used to?
Who learned to juggle with us?
Or was it
Me,
James? No, it had to have been
me and
Michael.
Wade, Trevor, I
Mm.
think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't think I can do it. I am really rusty. But this is how you start, it's just like this. And try to throw them up the tube.
How high should you throw them?
The higher the better.
Okay, because it gives you more
Because it
time,
gives
right?
you more time to collect yourself. But in the beginning, yeah, because the idea, if you can go really fast,
Right.
which you can get to eventually, right? But that's how you start. You just kind of, sometimes you just gotta, right? But try and just throw them in front of you. My problem is that I'm throwing them all over the place.
Right. Oh, look at that! Woohoo! Oh my gosh, y'all, that was just too funny to not share with you. I actually told Lana I was going to make her YouTube famous with her juggling skills. She is actually quite good, but those putty balls that she made just did not work for juggling. I didn't get any footage of her later in my trip. She was juggling with some stuff that was a little easier to juggle with, and she did a much better job. Maybe next year when I go see her again, or when she comes to see me, I will show you her juggling again so she can redeem herself. But anyway, that's just a quick look at what my car looked like after that final day of car camping and that mad dash to get everything in the car because it started raining as I was sitting there charging and being live. It's in the middle of a live when it cut out, and yeah, anyway. Thanks again, guys, for coming and hanging out with me for a little while in my world. I do appreciate it. My name is Lorrie, in case I didn't mention that at any point in this video, because I'm sure I didn't. And this is my world, and I'm really glad that you've come to take part in it. I hope that you will take very good care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye now.